Basta wala pa 6 years old.
Okay.
Around 3 to 5.
Okay.
And then, so of course, I was getting bigger na. Gusto manggod na ako na dungan ni tanan maligo as a family. I had this thing na I wanted to do everything with them.
Okay.
Maligo, magkaon, tanan, dapat sabay mi.
Okay.
And then my dad at the time, when I was a baby pag yun, like an infant, he would give me a bath.
Right.
Pero when I got older, syempre kay babae ko. So he left that to my mom na kay parang, babae. And then, during that time, I couldn't understand why. Nganong dili man pwede dungan maligo. Nganong dili man ta pwede mo sabay. Gusto na ko, kita tulo ni mama, sabay ta. Dili man siya. So, he locked the door. And then, I was outside his door. I was banging on the door. I love to throw tantrums, labi na before.
Right.
So, I was banging on the door and I was shouting. I was threatening him na, in English, kay, when I was little, English lang yun ko. Ingon ko na, ug dili nimo ni abrihan, pagtiguang nimo, bilin ti ka sa dalan niya, dili ti ka tagaan og pagka